Welcome to Magashi. I'm Eri Batenda. I'm going to show you how to make our signature cocktail. It's called Magashi Sky. It's made of 3 basic ingredients. One is white rum. Second one is Cointreau. And third one is blue curacao. We need to use lemon juice and simple syrup and shaker. We need also some block of ice cube, like 6 will be enough. Two shots of rum. Sorry for mess. One shot of Cointreau. One shot of lemon juice. One shot of simple syrup. We have also our fresh herbs, fresh mint from our garden. Like 8 or 9 leaves will be enough. Then shake 20 seconds. Have martini grass, then double strain. We have our blue curacao here, just to make it look like sky, like 2 or 3 drops. Then enjoy our Magashi signature cocktail Sky.